So nice, I'm doing it twice. You guys loved the grocery vlog so much that I decided to do it one more time. So in this video, we are going to be walking through the grocery store, picking out stuff for a week, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm making to keep the food costs down and help you get a little creative in the kitchen too. Let's do it. Okay, so it's Saturday afternoon and I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store. I have my list all put together, and on the back of my list I actually have the recipes that I'm going to be making for this week. So tonight I'm making chicken gumbo, which is like the most incredible thing I've ever made, and thanks to Kyle's cousin who gave me the recipe. And then Tuesday Kyle is grilling hamburgers for us for our date, for our anniversary. So it's our 8th wedding anniversary, and I asked him to cook for us, so he's going to be grilling. And then I kind of filled in the gaps with turkey stir fry, which is a staple. And then, spoiler alert, I did go to Costco a couple days ago and I spent about $200 at Costco. A bulk of that, I would say like 60 bucks of that, was just on diapers and wipes. So $140. I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I put in the freezer. I got some ready-made meals, broccoli cheddar soup that's already done that I can just heat up. So I'm going to use that. And then just get a couple odds and ends to fill in kind of the rest of my week. So let's go to the store. Okay, so the dozen eggs actually came down in price. It's $4.99 for a dozen, or $6.99 for 18, but Costco still has the better deal of 24 eggs for around $5. I think it's just a little bit more. So yeah, crazy. Really happy to see that that total was only $118. I thought for sure that it was going to be $150, but with the coupons that I had, it actually ended up working out. Also, I'm going to get the heck out of here because I think there's some guy who's trying to sell a Doctors Without Borders, but is like walking around the parking lot with a clipboard. It's ridiculous. Anyway, bye. I am so excited about this gumbo. It's gonna be phenomenal. I have a pot of rice, white rice, going. We're gonna do the gumbo. We're gonna watch a movie. I'm really sad that the Cats lost in the Elite 8 of the tournament, but life goes on. And tomorrow, Kyle and I are doing our anniversary. We booked a couples massage, and so we're gonna go do that. I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner tomorrow, but probably keep it low key. But Saturday night dinner. Okay, so since Kyle and I did our anniversary date and we did a couples massage and we came home, we were just so relaxed. we decided to keep it really easy for Sunday night dinner. So I got some pot stickers, pre-made pot stickers from Costco. They were so good. They came with a little package of pre-mixed dipping sauce, and then I just made a really healthy salad using leftover vegetables. And then I also had some leftover turkey wonton meatballs that I made from previous, so I just kind of tossed that in there. It was super easy. I'm really glad that I had ready to go freezer meals and freezer food just to throw in for nights like this. So happy Sunday. So turkey stir fry is a staple weeknight meal for us. It's simply ground turkey, stir fry vegetables in a teriyaki. It's super simple. You can add white rice to it. Today I am using a packet of brown and red rice that I got pre-mixed from Costco a long time ago. I didn't like it by itself, but I'm hoping mixed in with turkey stir fry is going to add some sustenance and some flavor, so give it a shot. Okay, pretend that it's Tuesday. Pretend that it's Tuesday night, because what we're having tonight is the exact same thing as what we had on Tuesday, because this is the leftovers of it. So Kyle grilled us burgers. We had way more squash zucchini than this, but this is what we have left. We each get 3 slices. And then I just added frozen tots that I found in the freezer.
So,
don't you think this was a really great meal? I mean,
fantastic. I'm looking forward to it again.
It lasted us throughout the week. So Tuesday's dinner, we're also having it on Sunday night. So we're in the middle of the week, and because Kyle grilled a ton of burgers last night and we were kind of just eating up on some of those things, I was like, let me just make it easy for myself and do a leftover night. So tonight I'm probably going to have burgers again. So I thought I would show you what I was making for lunch, and I took some of the leftover lettuce from the hamburgers and the tomato and some of the vegetables that have just been in my refrigerator for a long time, and I made a salad, and I'm doing a bagel sandwich. You can get a pack of 2 of these for around $6 at Costco, and I get the everything bagel seasoning, and then I just stick one of the sleeves in the freezer. When you are ready to eat the bagel or get into the second sleeve of the 2-pack that you buy, you can actually reheat the bagel in an oven, 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and it's bakery fresh all over again, which I'm just like, this is amazing. So I have some cream cheese and some salmon lox, and you're like, oh my God, salmon lox, Justine, that's extra. It really was extra. So you can buy a 2-pack of the salmon lox at Costco, and then I freeze one, and then I use one immediately. And so this is the frozen one that I had just kind of naturally thawing out. And so I'm gonna be using this and make myself a bagel sandwich. And I have my salad. Let me show you this. This was with all leftover vegetables, and I put blue cheese on top because that's how I like to eat my salads. And if you're like, ew, blue cheese, then fantastic. Next time that you and I go out to lunch together, then I'll just eat your blue cheese. This is the perfect lunch. Check out that cross section. Also, I wanted to say about the salad that I just use extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and that's my salad dressing. I really do not waste money on salad dressing anymore, and instead I'll buy the Costco smoked salmon and make up for it. So I guess what I'm really trying to say is spend money on the things that you truly love, and don't spend money on the things that you don't. Okay, so Thursday, really quick, easy dinner night. This is also from Costco, so not necessarily from the grocery haul that I did, but I got I'm showing you the lid here. This is the Kirkland broccoli cheddar soup. It comes in a pack of 2. So all you do is dump and heat it up. And then I did break out half of that frozen garlic bread that I got at the grocery store. So I just used half, use the other half for later. Heat that up in the oven, and then I just made a salad with the leftover lettuce from the burgers and some leftover vegetables that we had in the refrigerator, and it's a very easy, quick, less than 20 minutes and you're done. So it's Friday night. Kyle and I went out to lunch, so we said we're gonna skip happy hour, and we ended up just staying in, going to the community hot tub. It was great. We have a pot of rice, fresh rice, and then we just heated up the leftover gumbo, and that's what we're going to finish out our week with, which I think is amazing. So I love reusing leftovers throughout the week and then being able to reheat it without like nuking it in the microwave. It just feels like with the fresh rice, it's gonna be like having it for the first time again, kind of. So that was a look at what I made for the week. We had some really fun things in there, like the hamburgers, grill night. Turkey stir fry is definitely a staple around here. It's so easy to make. So I think if you have a combination of things that you're excited to make, plus meals that you can put into the fridge and eat on throughout the week, that's just going to make life so much easier. Do you still like these grocery vlog videos? Should I keep doing more of them? If so, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you're not already part of the Debt-Free Millennials community, where we help you crush debt and live payment-free, give this video a big thumbs up again and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.